Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our English virtual classroom. Selamat datang di pembelajaran bahasa Inggris kita hari ini. Oke, pembelajaran kita hari ini akan membahas tentang apa ya? Sebelum kita mulai, tolong perhatikan dulu video yang Bapak tampilkan ini ya. Kira-kira kita belajar tentang apa ini? Pahami dulu videonya, silahkan.
It's so good to see you, Paul. Have you lost weight? I can almost put my wings around you.
Well, maybe a little.
Oh, poor you. You must feel weak. Let me get you some soup.
No, that's okay, Dad. I'm not hungry.
Not hungry? Paul, are you all right?
Yeah, no, I'm fine. Earlier today, I was fighting these bandits. Nothing
Perhatikan
too
apa ya?
dangerous. I mean, they were just,
Yeah?
And
Dragon
then
Warrior
the
itu
strangest thing
kata
happened.
pada ayahnya.
I had this crazy vision. I think I saw my mom
I had a
and me
crazy vision.
as a baby.
What? Mom? A baby?
Dad,
Perhatikan ya.
What are you talking about?
how do I say this?
Apa yang dia tanyakan kira-kira?
Where did I come from?
Well, you see, son, baby geese come from a little egg. Don't ask me where the egg comes from.
Dad, that's not what I meant.
I know it's not. I think it's time I told you something I should have told you a long time ago.
Okay.
You might have been kind of adopted.
I knew it.
You knew? Well, who told you?
No one. I mean, come on, Dad.
But if you knew, why didn't you ever say anything?
Why didn't you say anything? How did I get here, Dad? Where did I come from?
Actually, you came from this. It was just another day at the restaurant. Time to make the noodles. I went out to the back where my vegetables had just been delivered. There were cabbages, turnips, radishes. Only there were no radishes. Just a very hungry baby panda. There was no note. Of course, you could have eaten it. I waited for someone to come looking for you, but no one did. I brought you inside. Fed you. Gave you a bath. And fed you again. And again. And tried to put some pants on you. And then I made a decision that would change my life forever. To make my soup without radishes. And to raise you as my own son. Xiaopo, my little panda. And from that moment on, both my soup and my life have been that much sweeter. And little Po, that's the end of the story. Look at me. No, don't look at me.
That's it? That can't be it. There's gotta be more, Dad.
Well, there was the time you ate all my bamboo furniture. It was imported too.
One dumpling, please. Dragon Warrior size.
Oh, Paul, your story may not have such a happy beginning, but look how it turned out. You got me, you got Kung Fu, and you got noodles.
I know. I just have so many questions. Like, how did I ever fit in this tiny basket? Why didn't I like pants? And who am I?
Oke, that's the story. Itu videonya ya, ceritanya. Kira-kira tentang apa ya? Oke, good. Bagus. Itu tentang masa lalunya Xiaopo. Jadi masa lalu seorang dragon warrior ya. Jadi materi ini kita akan membahas, tujuan pembelajaran kita ini akan membahas tentang simple past tense atau yang menceritakan sesuatu hal, keadaan atau kejadian di masa lampau ya. Jadi semuanya tentang keadaan atau kejadian di masa lampau. Chapter yang kita bahas chapter 10 when I was child. Jadi ketika saya masih seorang anak atau kita akan membahas tiga materi. Yang pertama membicarakan keadaan di masa lampau. Remember it that we just try to explain about the situation, keadaan dulu, keadaan di masa lampau. Yang kedua membicarakan kejadian di masa lampau. Yang ketiga membicarakan kejadian di masa lampau dan diikuti kejadian lain yang telah selesai. Dan diikuti kejadian yang lain. Tetapi pada materi ini kita hanya akan membahas tentang keadaan di masa lampau saja. Jadi keadaan di masa lampau itu menceritakan keadaan tanpa menggunakan kata kerja, Jadi tanpa menggunakan kata kerja. Pertemuan ini kita fokus di sini ya, membicarakan keadaan di masa lampau. Oke, it's time to observe. Kita waktunya sekarang untuk mengobservasi. Yap, ini dia. Kalimat yang menyatakan masa lampau tanpa menggunakan kata kerja disebut nominal. Jadi tidak ada kata kerjanya ya. Contohnya kayak gimana? Seperti tadi si Xiaopo membicarakan tentang masa lalunya. A baby, I was a baby. Jadi dulu ketika dia masih kecil gitu ya. Where did I come from? Dari mana saya datang gitu ya ketika saya kecil gitu. Itu menceritakan tentang masa lampau. Tetapi sebelum kita lanjutkan, kita harus membandingkan dulu present yang sekarang dengan masa lampau gitu, untuk memudahkan. As you know that, seperti yang kalian ketahui bahwa dalam kalimat present tense atau kalimat yang menyatakan keadaan sekarang itu memiliki struktur subjek dan to be. Seperti ini, I am, you are gitu ya. Gitu. Nah, di masa lampau strukturnya berubah. Jadi I am berubah menjadi I was, you, we, they, to be, are itu berubah menjadi were, he, she, it berubah menjadi was. Gitu. Contoh kalimatnya seperti apa? I am a teacher, gitu ya. Saya adalah seorang guru. Sekarang, kalau di masa lampau, I was a student, gitu ya. Kemudian sekarang itu kalian, you are a student. Kamu itu seorang siswa sekarang. Kalau dulu you were a child. Kamu dulu adalah seorang anak-anak, gitu ya. We are friends. Kita berteman. Sekarang berteman. Dulu we were friends, gitu. They are heroes. They were heroes. He is a good man. He was a good man. She is my classmate. She was my classmate. Kalau dulu bertemannya, she was my classmate. Kalau sekarang, she is my classmate, gitu. It is my car. Sekarang itu mobil saya, mobil kamu, gitu. Paham? Oke, good. Kita lanjutkan ke materi berikutnya. Biasanya dalam simple past tense itu dilengkapi dengan adverb of time atau keterangan waktu. Di antaranya adalah ago, last, and yesterday. Gitu. Contoh kalimatnya seperti apa? Ini contoh kalimatnya ya. I was a student. Saya adalah seorang siswa 2 years ago. 2 tahun yang lalu saya siswa gitu. Sekarang mungkin sudah bekerja, sekarang sudah jadi mahasiswa gitu ya. I was a student 2 years ago. Kemudian you were a child last year. Kamu seorang anak kecil tahun kemarin, tapi sekarang sudah gede saja ya, seperti itu misalkan. Kemudian she was my classmate. Dia dulu teman kelas saya. Kemarin, sorry. Dia adalah teman kelas saya. Kemarin, sekarang dia sudah pindah kelas mungkin. Ya. Kalimat-kalimat ini disebut dengan kalimat positif. Ini contoh kalimat positif. Bagaimana kalau kalimat positif ini kita rubah menjadi kalimat negatif? Nah, contohnya seperti ini. Nah, dalam kalimat negatif dan kalimat tanya, past tense juga memiliki struktur yang hampir mirip dengan present, yaitu I was a student, kalimat positif. Kalau negatifnya ditambah not saja. I was not a student gitu. Was I? Apakah saya? Kalau kalimat tanyanya to be-nya berubah ke depan. Was I gitu. Berikutnya, you were not a child, were you? We were not friends, were we? They were not heroes, were they? He was not a good man. Dia dulu bukan seorang laki-laki yang baik. Gitu. Was he a good man? Apakah dia seorang laki-laki? Gitu ya. Was he a good man? Gitu. Kalimat tanyanya seperti itu. She was not my classmate. Gitu. Was he? Kemudian it was not your car. Was it? Gitu ya. Kalimatnya mudah. Kalau positif I was, kalau negatifnya I was not, kalau kalimat tanyanya was I gitu. Tinggal diputar-putar saja. It's easy, isn't it? Mudah kan? Oke, kita lanjutkan. It's time to observe. It's time for discussion. It's time for discussion. Ini waktu kita untuk berdiskusi, ya. I'll give you 5 sentences. Bapak berikan kalian 5 kalimat, contoh kalimat ya. Number 1, silakan kalian. Nah, nomor 1. Ini nomor 1-nya. Sinta bla 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 with me yesterday. Sinta titik-titik bersamaku kemarin. Nah, Sinta itu kira-kira to be yang tepat past tense-nya apa? Was, were, am, or is. Gitu. Please write on your book. Tolong tuliskan dulu jawabannya di buku kamu, karena kita akan bahas nanti. Sudah? Oke, good, thank you. Nomor 2. Andy was my friend. Andy dulu teman saya. When we, ketika kami titik-titik in elementary school, di sekolah dasar. Nah, sekarang dia kan sudah SMP nih. Nah, kira-kira Andy was my friend when we was, were, am, or is. This is the question of number 2. Ini pertanyaan nomor 2 ya. Sudah dituliskan di buku? Oke, next, number 3. They bla 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 in Singapore last week. Mereka titik-titik di Singapura minggu kemarin. Mereka ya. Oke, untuk menambahkan pakai yang manakah? Was, were, am, or is. This is the question of number 3. Have you write on your book? Sudah kan kalian menuliskan di bukunya? Oke. Okay, number 4. We blah 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 at the restaurant blah blah blah. Nah, ini kalian harus mencari to be past tense-nya dan keterangan waktunya. Kira-kira yang manakah yang benar? A. Were yesterday. B. Was last week. C. Are last year. D. Were tomorrow. Gitu. Yang manakah? Silakan dipikirkan dan dituliskan. Number 5. He blah 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 popular when he blah 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 child. Nah, ini juga harus mencari to be, past tense, dan to be juga. Kira-kira yang manakah yang tepat? A. Is was. B. Was is. C. Was not were. D. Was. Kira-kira yang manakah? Nah, sudah? Oke. Finish. It's time for review. Sekarang kita review ya. Number 1. Sinta bla 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 with me yesterday. Yang manakah jawabannya? A, B, C, D. Okay, good. A. Thank you. Yes, sorry. And then number 2. Number 2 sekarang ya. Sorry, number 2. Andy was my friend when we. Jawabannya yang mana? Okay, good. B. Okay, safe. Nice. And then number 3. They blah 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 in Singapore last week. They was were. Okay, good. They were. Okay, good. Number 4. We blah 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 at the restaurant. Were yesterday, was last week, or last year, were tomorrow. We blah 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 at the restaurant. Okay. Yup. A. Nice. The last question, number 5. He blah 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 popular when he blah 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 popular when he blah 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 child. Question is 5. Number 5. The question is D. Okay. Good. Nice. Okay. That's all. Itu saja mungkin pembelajaran hari ini. Thank you for your attention, and then remember that if you wanna get the best experience, jika kamu ingin mendapatkan pengalaman terbaik, kamu boleh mengklik tombol latihan di kolom komentar ini di bawah. Okay? Today, please do your exercise. Di situ silakan diklik. Kalian akan mencoba untuk final. That's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye. See you.